Today, we are excited to bring you some new useful gadgets under $500 available on Amazon. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Mist Sprayer. The mist sprayer is a compact, efficient tool designed for a fine, even misting of water or other liquids. Perfect for plant care, personal cooling, and household cleaning. It distributes a gentle spray that covers surfaces without overwetting. Made from durable, leak-proof materials, it's easy to refill and comfortable to hold, thanks to its ergonomic design. The adjustable nozzle allows for customized spray intensity from a light mist to a targeted stream, making the mist sprayer versatile for indoor and outdoor use. Yogurt machine. The yogurt machine is a versatile appliance designed to make homemade yogurt easily and quickly. With precise temperature control, it ferments milk into creamy yogurt within hours, allowing users to create both traditional and Greek-style yogurt from scratch. Equipped with simple controls, it lets you customize flavors, sweetness, and thickness for a healthier, preservative-free option. Compact and easy to clean, the yogurt machine is perfect for anyone looking to enjoy fresh, delicious yogurt right at home. Atta shifter. The Atta shifter is a handy kitchen tool designed to sift flour, atta, quickly and efficiently, removing lumps, impurities, and providing a fine, airy texture ideal for baking and cooking. With a user-friendly design, it has a comfortable handle and a durable sifting mechanism that can handle large quantities in seconds. This tool helps improve the quality of dough, making chapatis, cakes, and other baked goods lighter and smoother. Compact and easy to clean, it's a must-have for every kitchen. Furniture dollies. Furniture dollies are sturdy, wheeled platforms designed to move heavy furniture and appliances with ease. Made from durable materials, they feature a non-slip surface and strong swivel casters for smooth, stable maneuverability across various floor types. Ideal for home or professional use, these dollies reduce physical strain and protect floors from scratches and damage. Whether rearranging furniture, moving bulky items, or handling heavy equipment, furniture dollies are essential tools that make transportation efficient, safe, and convenient for any user. Portable sewing machine. A portable sewing machine is a compact, lightweight device designed for easy transport and quick sewing tasks. Perfect for beginners and seasoned crafters alike. It offers essential stitching functions for repairs, alterations, and simple projects. With straightforward controls and basic stitch options, this sewing machine is user-friendly, allowing you to sew anywhere, at home, in class, or while traveling. Its space-saving design makes it ideal for small workspaces, offering convenience and versatility for on-the-go creativity and sewing needs. Firefly lights. Firefly lights are delicate, string lights that mimic the enchanting glow of fireflies, creating a warm and magical ambience. Each light strand features tiny LED bulbs that emit a soft, twinkling glow, perfect for indoor and outdoor use. They're ideal for decorating bedrooms, gardens, patios, and events like weddings or parties, adding a whimsical touch to any space. Battery-operated and energy-efficient, Firefly lights are easy to arrange and provide a cozy, fairy tale atmosphere with minimal effort. Expandable hose pipe. The expandable hose pipe is a lightweight, flexible garden hose designed to expand up to 3 times its length when filled with water, then retract for compact storage when empty. Made with durable, leak-resistant materials, it resists kinks and tangles, making watering tasks effortless. Ideal for gardens, patios, and cleaning tasks. This hose includes sturdy fittings and a high-pressure nozzle for versatile use. Its space-saving design and ease of use make it a practical, efficient tool for any outdoor setup. Low welding. Low welding, often referred to as low-temperature welding, is a process that uses reduced heat levels to join metals. Unlike traditional welding, which requires high temperatures, Low welding utilizes special alloys or filler materials that melt at lower temperatures, making it suitable for delicate or thin metals. This technique minimizes distortion, reduces the risk of damaging sensitive components, and provides cleaner welds. Commonly used in electronics, jewelry repair, and precision manufacturing, low welding is ideal for projects requiring minimal heat impact. Adhesive leather tape. Adhesive leather tape is a durable, self-adhesive tape designed for repairing or enhancing leather surfaces. Ideal for covering scratches, holes, or worn areas, it provides an instant fix with a smooth, leather-like finish. Easy to cut and apply, this tape adheres securely to sofas, car seats, bags, and jackets, seamlessly blending with most leather textures and colors. Its strong adhesive and flexible material make it a long-lasting solution, perfect for quick repairs and maintenance of leather goods. Magnetic window cleaner. A magnetic window cleaner is a clever tool designed for cleaning both sides of a window simultaneously, especially useful for hard-to-reach windows. It consists of two cleaning pads connected by strong magnets, allowing you to control the outer pad from indoors. The cleaner typically includes squeegees and absorbent sponges, providing a streak-free finish on glass. Ideal for high-rise apartments, office buildings, and multi-story homes. This tool makes window cleaning safer, faster, and more convenient without the need for ladders. Fruit-vegetable spinner bowl. A fruit and vegetable spinner bowl is a practical kitchen tool designed for washing and drying fresh produce quickly and efficiently. The bowl typically features a built-in spinner mechanism that uses centrifugal force to remove excess water after rinsing fruits and vegetables. Made from durable, food-safe materials, it often comes with a lid and an ergonomic handle for easy operation. This handy device not only helps to keep your produce crisp and clean, but also saves time in meal preparation, making it an essential item for any kitchen. You can purchase all products by checking our description box. Thank you for watching this gadget-filled adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on the latest tech trends.